Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful fitted bedsheet with very easy steps that are very beginner friendly. If you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos like this one. I post new videos every single week. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your fabric or a regular bed sheet, then you're going to fold it. Then after folding, you're going to have 1 2 3 4 openings at one point. Then on this point you're going to mark the distance. You have to go to your mattress and measure this distance here. Whatever distance you find there is what you're going to mark using your measuring tape, and you're going to add 2 inches for hemming allowance because you're going to hem this. So whatever distance you find plus 2 inches for hemming. So I'm going to mark the same down here and up there, as you can see, and also the same distance calculated up there. Then I'm going to connect the points and form a little square, as you can see. Then next I'm going to cut this little square with my pair of scissors. So after cutting, this is how the corners are going to look like. They'll have L-shaped openings on all the 4 sides. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together and stitch all the L-shaped corners like I'm doing. Right sides facing right sides. Then I'm going to sew here. I'm going to do the same on all the 4 L-shaped corners. So after stitching, this is how it's going to look like. And the next thing is to trim off the excess seam allowance. If you don't trim off the seam allowance, it's going to give you problems when inserting the elastic. So make sure you leave a very small seam allowance. Then after trimming off your seam allowance, I'm just going to show you the right side. This is how beautiful the right side looks like. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in my hemming allowance. Remember, we left 2 inches of hemming allowance. Then I'm going to hem all around this on my sewing machine. Then after hemming, the next interesting thing to do is I'm going to get my safety pin, and it will help me to insert the elastic in the hem. So this safety pin is going to work hand in hand with the elastic that we're going to use to insert in the hemming allowance. So this is how it's going to be done. I'm going to get so as you can see, first I hemmed, and after hemming I left this part not hemmed. So let me just show you the parts I'm referring to. This is the hem. This part here was not stitched, it's open. This is going to be the entry for the elastic and the safety pin. So I'm just going to get my safety pin and my elastic and show you guys how it's supposed to be done. So this is my safety pin and this is my elastic. I'm going to insert this safety pin in the elastic like I'm doing. Then I'm going to close my safety pin, and next I'm going to start inserting it on the opening. Remember, I left out one part without hemming, so I'm going to insert the elastic in it. It's going to take a bit of time, but patience pays. So I just finished inserting the elastic, and this is how it looks. This is